You will need to access the Task Dock main menu. Starting on the home screen, double-tap the Task Dock icon. Next, start a new task by selecting the white box next to the taskbar icon. Tap the plus icon to add a task. Enter the name of the task. For this example, we have chosen corn. Tap the green check mark. The new task will appear in the menu. Make sure the task is highlighted in blue, then tap the green check mark. A screen will appear stating the Ideal Combine Series and Combine Header have automatically been added to the task. These are required fields that appear when creating a task. Tap the green check mark. Next, you will need to add 3 attributes to the task: farm, field, and customer. Tap the attribute icon to add a new farm. Select the farm attribute from the category list, then tap the green check mark. Tap the plus icon to add your farm. Enter the farm name. Tap the green check mark. The farm you created will appear in the list. Make sure the farm is highlighted in blue, then tap the green check mark. The farm attribute has been added to the current task. To set up the field attribute, tap the attribute icon. Select the field attribute from the category list, then tap the green check mark. Tap the plus sign to add the field. Enter the name of the field. Tap the green check mark. Enter the number of acres in the field, then tap the green check mark. The new field will appear in the menu. Make sure the field is highlighted in blue, then tap the green check mark. The field attribute is now added to the current task. Tap the attribute icon again to add the customer attribute to the task. Select Customer from the category list, then tap the green check mark. Tap the plus sign to add the customer. Enter the name of the customer. Tap the green check mark. The new customer will appear in the menu. Make sure the customer is highlighted in blue, then tap the green check mark. The customer attribute is now added to the current task. Now that all attributes have been added to the task, tap the record icon. Now you can begin harvesting. Notice the acre counter has been added to the screen.